Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a comforting classic Japanese cuisine, mixed rice with pork and mushroom. This dish is a perfect blend of savory pork, earthy mushrooms, and perfectly seasoned rice. It's a fulfilling meal that will surely impress. So let's start cooking! Start by washing the rice. For this recipe, we're making 2 cups, which should serve around 4 people. For those interested in mastering rice cooking, check out our other videos where we delve into measuring and cooking rice in detail. Soak the washed rice in plenty of water for 15 to 30 minutes, allowing the water to penetrate to the core of each grain. This ensures the rice cooks up fluffy and full. Tear the Maitake mushroom by hand and julienne the carrot. We'll also use minced ginger. I've got some pre-minced and frozen for convenience. Cut the pork belly into 3 cm wide pieces. In an earthenware pot, combine the well-drained rice, maitake, carrot, ginger, and pork belly. Today we'll be using an earthenware pot, a donabe, to cook the rice. Of course, you can also use a regular pot or a rice cooker. However, one of the advantages of using donabe is that it doesn't cool down immediately after being removed from the heat. While the rice is steaming, it continues to cook gently, allowing the moisture to penetrate evenly and evaporating any excess water. This results in a fluffier and tastier rice. So, if you have a donabe at home, I highly recommend trying this recipe with it. Add 400 ml water, the seasonings, and a dash of salt. Stir lightly, cover, and cook over high heat. Once boiling, switch to low heat and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove from heat and let it steam for an additional 5 minutes. Stir thoroughly with a rice paddle, making sure to mix in any delicious crispy bites from the bottom. The mix of crispy and fluffier rice is irresistible. Garnish with green onions, and there you have it. A dish where the meaty punch of pork and the natural umami of vegetables and the mushroom come together in harmony. Cooking in an earthenware pot adds an extra layer of flavor, making the rice even more fragrant and fluffy. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for joining us in making this delightful mixed rice dish. We hope you enjoy the rich flavors and comforting warmth it brings to your table. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumb up, subscribe for more delicious tutorials, and share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!